In our top story this hour, the national health insurance will cost an estimated 256 billion rand. This, of course, is according to the Health Minister, Dr. Zweli Mkhize, who briefed the media in Pretoria earlier this morning.
The bill was tabled in Parliament today. Mkhize says that the NHI will bring the country one step closer to its constitutional obligation of providing quality universal health care.
South Africans will in 7 years have a state-funded national health insurance. It will cater for all South Africans, inmates and legal long-term residents. The first phase of the NHI is complete, with the second phase to be concluded in 2021.
All South Africans will benefit from the high quality of health care without the burden of out-of-pocket expenses. In the end, the combination of more disposable income in the pockets of South Africans and the collective investment in human capital will translate to increased economic activity and participation by our population.
Medical schemes will remain as they are now, as voluntary organizations. Once the NHI is fully implemented, the Minister will introduce regulations that would limit the benefits to medical schemes to those services not reimbursable by the fund.
Different stakeholders welcomed the NHI and urged government to implement it speedily.
Countries like Britain and Japan, to name but two, started implementing their equivalent of NHI under very difficult circumstances, especially financial. And South Africa will be no exception to this rule.
We would like to welcome the public consultations to be meaningful, but at the same time move with speed so that the national health insurance can be enacted as an act of parliament so that implementation can happen without delay.
Government says it has already appropriated 250 billion rand for the implementation of the NHI. Once the National Health Insurance Bill is tabled before Parliament, it will be considered by the National Assembly and the National Council of Provinces. Both will be expected to undertake a process of public consultation. Offenses Timo, SABC News, Pretoria.